Installing the KOHLER Setra Touchless Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet with KOHLER Konnect. This animation is intended as a supplement to the packed instructions. Refer to the installation and care guide for important safety information and detailed installation instructions. For the installation, you will need the following tools and materials: 3/8 inch supply stops, unswitched electrical outlet, 2 provided check valves, adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, rags, measuring tape, bucket. This faucet contains back-siphonage protection. To prevent water contamination, do not remove any internal components from this faucet. This installation requires an unswitched 120-volt electrical outlet be located under the sink. Warning: risk of electric shock. Connect only to a properly grounded grounding-type receptacle which is protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. Do not remove the grounding pin or use a grounding adapter. If possible, for new installations, assemble the faucet to the sink before installing the sink. Install the faucet with the handle on the right side. For additional support, some stainless steel sinks may require a piece of 1/2 inch plywood be installed under the sink holes. Cut a hole in the plywood to match the hole for the faucet. The provided escutcheon is optional and can be installed to cover unused sink holes. To install the escutcheon, align the plate with the sink holes, then position the escutcheon over the plate. For all installations, slide the gasket onto the shank with the foam side facing down. Align the tabs on the gasket with the notches in the base of the faucet. Press the gasket into place. Insert the faucet through the hole. Thread the screws into the ring until they extend 1/4 inch out of the opposite side. Slide the rubber washer, the metal washer, and the ring over the outlet hose first, then over the other hoses and wires, and onto the shank. Thread the ring up the shank until it is against the underside of the faucet deck. Position the screws to the front and back. Tighten the screws to secure. Assemble the check valve to each water supply. Connect and tighten the supply hoses. Make sure the faucet handle is in the off position. Turn on the water supplies and check all connections for leaks. Position a bucket under the end of the outlet hose. Run the hot water and then the cold water for 1 minute each to flush any debris from the supply lines. Turn off the water supplies. Connect the flow sensor to the solenoid inlet. Apply the provided grease to all of the connection sockets on the circuit board. Connect the 2 wires coming from the faucet to the circuit board. Connect the flow sensor wire and the solenoid wire to the circuit board. Connect the power cord to the circuit board. Mount the solenoid 7 to 8 inches from the faucet center line. Attach the mounting bracket vertically to the cabinet or wall with 2 suitable fasteners. Secure the solenoid, flow sensor, and cover to the mounting bracket with the provided screws. Plug the power cord into the outlet. Connect the outlet hose to the flow sensor inlet. Remove the cap from the end of the spray hose. Connect the spray hose to the solenoid outlet. Position the weight approximately 2 to 3 inches up from the bottom of the loop in the spray hose and snap it into place. Pull out the spray head and ensure there is no interference with spray hose operation. Adjust the weight as necessary. Turn on the water supplies and check all connections below the deck for leaks. Move the handle to the on position. Move your hand under the spout to turn on the water. Adjust the handle until it reaches the desired water temperature. Move your hand under the spout again to turn off the water. You can leave the faucet handle in the on position all the time. For extended periods of non-use, KOHLER Company recommends moving the handle to the off position. Your new faucet can also be controlled by voice commands and through your phone using the KOHLER Konnect app. With KOHLER Konnect, you can set and save custom presets, use voice commands to turn the water on and off, monitor your daily water usage, and more. Refer to the quick start guide packed with your product, as well as the app setup videos available online to experience everything KOHLER Konnect has to offer.